Got food? Need energy? Are you confused as to how to convert chemical bond energy into energy or ATP that you can snatch up and use? Don't worry, mitochondria are here for you.
The party don't start till I walk in.
The mitochondria are kind of a big deal. Most cells have mitochondria except for prokaryotes and red blood cells.
Looks like we have an incoming review. This satisfied customer says, I'm the type of cell that needs a lot of energy to keep me going, and glycolysis alone just wasn't enough for me. But a few weeks ago, I purchased a load of mitochondria, and it was definitely the best choice I've ever made. I have more energy than before.
And mitochondria are small and cozy, maximizing productivity in every single square micrometer of space you have. Talk about efficiency.
The mitochondria even comes with its own DNA, possible remnants of the endosymbiotic relationship bacteria once had with cells. Not just one DNA molecule, but about 5 to 10. The amazing part is that each DNA molecule contains 16,569 base pairs carrying 37 genes.
And with the mitochondria, you get double the protection. Most other organelles come with only one membrane, but with the mitochondria, not only do you have the inner membrane, but you have the outer membrane also.
The mitochondria is so great that pesky little proteins and ions might want to enter into it, but you don't have to worry about those unwanted nuisances chilling inside your mitochondria. The outer membrane provides a nice security system that can control what comes in and out of your organelle.
How can the mitochondria do so much with such little space, you ask? Good question. The inner membrane contains lots and lots of folds called cristae that increase the surface area so proteins can work more efficiently. This means more room for you and your friends to hang out.
The matrix, which is a lovely space in the middle of the mitochondria, contains lots of enzymes that help you convert the pyruvic acid left over from the glycolysis of the glucose you just ate into carbon dioxide and acetyl coenzyme A, even reducing NAD plus into NADH and releasing a proton. This is also where FAD oxidizes succinic acid, turning itself into FADH2. It's like magic.
Oh, but save your amazement for the inner membrane, which is the home of the electron transport chain, or ETC. The NADH in the matrix pass electrons through 3 channel proteins, making each protein move a proton across the membrane. You end up with NAD+, and you've turned oxygen into water in the process. The same thing happens with FADH2, which moves 2 protons. This, my friends, is where the party's at.
And now you've ended up with a high concentration of protons in the mitochondria's intermembrane space, and they can only flow down the concentration gradient by going through ATP synthase, which is a channel protein also embedded in the inner membrane. ATP synthase harnesses their energy to attach phosphate groups into ATP molecules, making you the proud owner of 38 new ATP molecules for every glucose molecule you eat.
Although sometimes you get less than 38 because the conditions in the mitochondria will vary.
But can you say wow? Not only do you get a beautiful capsule-shaped house with every mitochondria you purchase, but you also get the most efficient and practical machine on the market for converting chemical bond energy in food into energy in the form you like it best, ATP.
All you have to do is sit there and reap the benefits.
We're not liable for any diseases or fatal illnesses that can be caused by a defect in the process of the increase of mitochondria by mitosis or fission, or by decrease of mitochondria by fusion. We are also not responsible for any mutations of various severities that may or may not occur in the mitochondrial DNA that can lead to disorders of the brain and muscles, such as exercise intolerance.
If you want to own the coolest organelle around the block, purchase the mitochondria and have the energy to party it up all day